Okay, I'm going to attempt to ask ChatGPT to do a tutorial on how to create rules on Microsoft Outlook. Okay, let's see how smart this is. Okay, let's go.
Hey, what can I do for you today?
Yeah, okay, so I'm very new to Microsoft Outlook and I am trying to create a rule. I need you to help me, teach me on how to create rules so that when I receive an email from a specific person, this rule will allow me to auto forward it to another email. Is that possible?
Yes, you can definitely set up a rule in Outlook to do that. Here's how.
Okay, sure. Before that, I need you to teach me step by step with pauses, meaning you instruct me something and I'll do it. And once I've done it, I'll let you know so that we can proceed to the next step. Is that okay?
Got it. Let's take it step by step. 1. Open Outlook. Make sure you're on the Home tab. Let me know when you're there and we'll move to the next step.
Okay, I'm at home right now.
Perfect. Now, 2. Access Rules. In the Home tab, find the Rules button in the Move group. Click on it and then choose Manage Rules and Alerts from the drop-down menu. Let me know when you've done that.
Okay, so I'm on the new Outlook. All right, I'm not on the old version of the Outlook. I'm at the new Outlook.
Got it. In the new Outlook, things look a bit different. Let's adjust. Access Settings. Click on the gear icon for settings in the top right corner. Then at the bottom of the settings pane, click on View All Outlook Settings. Let me know when you're there.
View all Outlook settings. I don't think I see it. Is it under General?
It's not under General. Let's try this. Click on the gear icon for settings in the top right corner. Then scroll to the bottom of the settings pane and click on View All Outlook Settings. It's often at the bottom of the pane that appears when you first click the gear icon. Let me know if you find it.
Okay, I have the view settings.
Great. Now, 3. Set up a rule. In the settings menu, go to Mail, then Rules. A window will pop up for you to create your rule. Give your rule a name like auto forward from person's name. Let me know when you're ready to continue.
Okay, so on the rules section, I see 3 things. First is the name of your rule. What do I put in there?
For the rule name, you can put something descriptive so you remember what it's for. Let's use auto forward from person's name. Replace person's name with the actual name of the person whose emails you want to forward. Let me know when you're ready for the next step.
Okay, I'm ready for the next step.
Awesome. Now let's set the conditions. 4. Add a condition. Click on Add a Condition and choose From. Then enter the email address of the person whose emails you want to forward. Let me know when you're ready to proceed.
Okay, I'm done with that step. Next.
Great job. Now let's set the action. 5. Add an action. Click on Forward to. Enter the email address you want the emails to be forwarded to. Let me know when you've got that set, and we'll wrap it up.
Okay, I've done that process. What's next?
Great, you're almost there. 6. Save the rule. Review your rule to make sure everything looks good. Then click Save to activate it. Your rule should now be set up to auto-forward emails from the specified person to the email address you entered. Let me know if you need help with anything else.
All right, thank you very much. You have been helpful.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
So I do this on a daily basis. What do I mean by daily basis is that I'm also a trainer, so I go to companies and I teach them how to use Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Teams. What ChatGPT has just done for me is to walk me through step by step, and it's exactly how I would do it. Yeah, the steps are all correct, and you could see how I was interchanging my doubts, my queries, because if I'm new to Microsoft Outlook, I wouldn't know what to do, what's the first step to take, and so on and so forth. And the instructions. So it's all about the instructions, which in this case is the prompts, right? So if you were to put the prompt or the instructions in place properly, you can get exactly what you want. And that's crazy, having an AI telling me how to do things. Oh my God. Crazy, crazy, crazy.